Today I am Beelink SER5 Pro 5825U Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Beelink SER5 Pro 5825U Mini PC is a remarkable compact powerhouse that redefines what a small form factor desktop can deliver. If you're looking for a machine that blends high performance, portability, and versatility, this is one of the best choices available in 2025. At the heart of the system is the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock speed of 2 GHz and turbo speeds up to 4.5 GHz. This powerful CPU handles everything from demanding multitasking to gaming, design software, and even video editing. The Ryzen 7 is known for delivering desktop-level performance in a compact footprint, and the SER5 Pro proves it with smooth performance in real-world use. This mini PC is equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz, which ensures lightning-fast multitasking without slowdowns. Combined with a 1TB M.2 PCIe 3.0 NVMe SSD, storage is both fast and spacious, making it easy to load large applications, store files, and work without bottlenecks. Best of all, both RAM and storage are upgradable. You can expand memory up to 64 GB and storage up to 2 TB, making this machine future-proof. One of the standout features of the SER5 Pro is its graphics capability. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics with 8 cores running at 2000 MHz delivers smooth visuals and excellent performance for productivity and entertainment. This mini PC supports 4K triple-screen display through HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C connections. That means you can run up to 3 monitors at once, perfect for multitasking, gaming, video editing, or immersive streaming. Connectivity is another strength of this Beelink mini PC. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more stable internet connections, along with Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless device pairing. Networking is robust with a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, ensuring reliable wired connections for high-speed tasks. Ports are plentiful and versatile, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Type-C, and audio jacks, giving you all the connectivity options you could need. The SER5 Pro isn't just powerful, it's efficient and portable. Its compact size, just under 5 inches in length, means it can fit into any workspace and even be mounted on a wall or behind a monitor with the included Visa mount. This makes it ideal for home offices, classrooms, creative studios, or even as a media center. For users who need constant reliability, this mini PC delivers. It supports Wake on LAN and Auto Power On, making it perfect for server setups or remote management. The cooling system is also optimized for silence and efficiency, using advanced heat pipes and fan systems to keep the CPU temperature low under heavy workloads without compromising performance. In short, the Beelink SER5 Pro 5825U Mini PC is an impressive machine that offers desktop-level power in a remarkably small design. Whether you're a gamer, creative professional, or business user, it delivers on performance, connectivity, and versatility. With its future-proof upgrade options and triple display support, it's an excellent investment for anyone who wants a powerful, compact desktop solution in 2025. This is more than just a mini PC. It's a complete, high-performance desktop system in the palm of your hand.